Hey guys, and in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you guys can actually go ahead and change your Squarespace website font. Now, in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys the process of how you guys can actually go ahead and do that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into it. So what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to head over to the left hand of your screen. Now, here on the website editor, there is pages, design, commerce, marketing, and much more options. You're obviously going to want to click on the design option, and from here you can go ahead and there are going to be more options on the left hand of your screen. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on these site styles, and from these site styles you're going to go ahead and want to go to the fonts. Now from here you can actually go ahead and change your fonts, guys, and you can actually customize it to achieve the style you actually do want, as it says right here. So you can go ahead and change the size of the text. You guys can see my screen right now that the text size is actually changing. You can change it really small or you can change it really big. Now above the base size font editor, you guys can see there is a font pack which you can actually switch. So you're going to want to go ahead and click the switch button, and from here you guys can see you can actually go ahead and change the font of your website. So you guys can see there are so many options here we can actually pick from. So I'm going to go ahead and go with the Goblin one. So I'm going to go ahead and pick this, and then it's going to take some time for the actual font to reflect on your website, guys. So here we're going to go ahead and wait okay, so you guys can see right here it's actually loaded. So from here you can actually you don't have to really do anything, which pretty much saves you a headache from changing it text by text. So once you choose one font, it changes every other font here on the page. So this is why I like the font editor here, because you don't have to go text by text editing each other sentence on your website. So it's very beneficial and it saves you a lot of time. But that's pretty much how you go ahead and change your fonts on Squarespace, guys. And if you guys like the video, make sure you guys drop a like on the video and subscribe. And make sure you guys comment down below your feedback of this video. It's very important. But other than that, guys, I'll see you guys for the next video.